Welcome to Awaken Creators. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of the law of attraction and positivity. The law of attraction is all about the energy you put into the universe. What you focus on, you attract into your life. When you maintain a positive mindset, you're essentially setting yourself up for success. Set clear intentions. Define what you want to attract. Visualize your goals. Imagine your goals as if they are already achieved. Stay positive. Maintain a positive mindset and focus on positive thoughts. Use affirmations. Repeat positive statements that reinforce your goals. Take inspired action. Act on opportunities that align with your goals. Be grateful. Practice gratitude for what you have and what you want to attract. Let go of doubts. Release any negative thoughts or doubts. Trust the process. Believe that the universe will deliver what you desire.